We're here at the Two Rivers. We're celebrating 10 exciting years of James Moria being at the reins of the Centum Group. My name is Pius Mushiramugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. Inutu, welcome.
Thank you, Pius.
Let me just start by asking you, what exactly do you do here at the Centum Group, and how has James's reign impacted on you?
So I'm Managing Director for Two Rivers Development Limited, and welcome to Two Rivers.
Thank you. Thank you.
We look forward to more of this happening.
Yes.
I've been with the Two Rivers. I came in from Zambia to head Two Rivers as a development company. And part of Two Rivers, of course, everybody knows them all, which is one of the subsidiaries to Two Rivers Development Limited. We also have Two Rivers Water, Two Rivers Power, Two Rivers Urban Management as well. So my role here is to actualize the development into a fully fledged urban node, creating a population of around about 10,000 by the end of 7 years. So that's what I've come to do. I've been with the group, coincidentally, 10 months.
Yes.
And as you earlier said, one month for every year
Yes.
of James's time here at Centum. It is a very exciting time. I think one of the most significant things was Centum actually moving their offices here to Two Rivers. That gives us a lot of pride to be able to have the Centum Group being hosted here as their head office. In terms of my interactions with James, of course, naturally being head of Two Rivers Development and being on the same floor with him, the interactions will be several.
Yes.
And he is an excellent communicator. I think that is one of the things that I've come to really appreciate about James is his level of communication and engagement with management team. His attention to detail as well is something that I have come to appreciate and learn his management style. 10 months is not very long, and I'm sure there will be many more years of learnings on my side.